Okay, y'all, so I just got back from my walk. I did like almost 4 miles. So this is a piece of ginger. I'm gonna cut the ginger up. I usually try to cut it up in like little small pieces so it'll blend good. And I like a lot of ginger. I like to feel the burn, y'all. Okay. Alright, that's that. What else I got? I be putting a lot of shit in my this is the lion's mane I put in there. I put this in my tea. But I ain't had tea yet, so I'm just gonna put it in my smoothie. Oh, so messy. Alright. Got that. And then right here I got some chia seeds that I let soak overnight. They're a little slimy. They're a little slimy. I put too damn many. They ain't gonna put that damn many. It's too many. Alright. I ain't gonna use all of them. Just use some of them. Then I got some coconut flakes. Then I got coconut flakes. Put some of that in there. And put a little bit of turmeric. Let me find my turmeric. Just a little bit. Okay. What else? Oh, I got my berries. I get the mixed blend. I think I got these from Aldi. Put like a cup. I don't need a cup, really. I don't want to waste. I don't want to waste anything. Alright, that should be enough. That should be enough. Alright, put these back. Then I got some beetroot juice that I've been drinking. Oh, it's so nasty. So I've been trying to I can't really drink it because it's so nasty. So what I've been doing, I just been putting it a little bit in my smoothie. I've been putting just a little bit in my smoothie. Y'all see that? And then I'm gonna put some of this in here. Damn things are out the bottom. Wait, what is the problem, man? The slime, I want the slime to go in now. Okay, there you go. Alright, I think that's I don't know. I think that's enough. What y'all think? I don't know much. I need more water. Okay. I got enough water, y'all. I'm putting some more water. Alright, I'm pouring it in, y'all. I got enough for later if I want some too. Oh, that's enough. Oh, just right. Just right. So I'm rinse some water in that. Put my top on it. And let's have a taste. Let's see how it is. You can definitely taste that beetroot. It ain't too strong. Don't even put a lot in there. But it's good. Alright, y'all. That's how I make my smoothie. But thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe.